Hi, this is N. John Sukumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sukumar's Smart Education. Dr. D.Y. PATIL Institute of Technology, PIMPRI, Pune, organizing 1-week online faculty development program. FDP theme: Essentials for Research. Dates: 18th to 23rd April 2022. Timings: Monday to Friday at 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and in Saturday 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Platform online. No registration fee. Invited all the faculty members, industrial professionals, Ph.D. scholars, PG students to register in FDP. Registration link in description. Subscribe my channel, ring the bell for latest updates. Like, share and